Chapter 7. New Religious Ideas. Towards the end of later Vedic period, around 600 BC, the Vedic religion became more complex and very costly because of many religious rituals, lengthy yajnas, and animal sacrifices. Now, religion had become complicated with the rigidity of caste system. Sacrifices, yajnas, and other rituals had become more elaborated and rigid. It became difficult for common people to understand and follow the religion. In some states, like Panchala and Videha, people were deprived of their wealth due to such sacrificial givings to the kings and Brahmins. Dissatisfied with such conditions, many thinkers gave up worldly life and went to forests to meditate in peace and seek enlightenment. Some of them shared their newfound knowledge, spread new religious and philosophical ideas, and won followers. We know about these new ideas from the Upanishads and from the Buddhist and Jain religious texts. Buddhism. Gautam Buddha was the founder of Buddhism. The actual name of Gautam Buddha was Siddhartha. He was born at Lumbini near Kapilvastu around 563 BC. He was the son of Shuddhodana, who was the ruler of Kapilvastu and chief of the Shakya clan. Initially, he led a life of luxury. Siddhartha was married to a princess named Yashodhara and had a son named Rahul. His mother was Mahamaya. The Great Renunciation. Gautam Buddha left home at the age of 30 to find the way to end suffering. He wandered for 6 years, during which he put himself through all kinds of hardships. Finally, he sat under a peepal tree at Bodh Gaya and resolved not to get up until he found answers to all his questions. At the end of this period, he attained enlightenment and became famous as the Buddha, the Enlightened One. Main teachings. Gautam Buddha's main teachings are contained in the Four Noble Truths and the Eightfold Path or Ashtangika Marga. These are 1. The world is full of misery and sorrow. 2. The cause of misery and sorrow is worldly desires. 3. One must give up desire to end the misery and sorrow. 4. The desire can be killed by following the Eightfold Path. Eightfold Path. The Eightfold Path consists of the following. 1. Right view. 2. Right intention. 3. Right speech. 4. Right action. 5. Right livelihood. 6. Right effort. 7. Right mindfulness. 8. Right meditation. Buddhist texts. The Buddhist texts containing the original teachings of Buddha are known as Tripitakas, 3 baskets. These are written in Pali. One Pitaka contains rules for monks, the other contains Buddha's sermons, and the last contains Buddhist thoughts. The important festivals for the Buddhists are Purnima and Losar, New Year. Jainism. Jainism was founded by Mahavira of the Vajji Gana Sangha. Lord Mahavira is popularly known as Vardhaman. He was born at Kundalgram near Vaishali in Bihar in 540 BC. His father, Siddharth, was the head of Gnatrika tribe, and his mother, Trishala, was a Lichavi tribe princess. He left home at the age of 29. For the next 12 years, he meditated and led a life of severe austerity. He finally attained Kaivalya, perfect knowledge. Henceforth, he was called the Jina, conqueror, and his followers were called Jains. The first Tirthankar of Jainism was Rishabdev, and the 24th and last Tirthankar was Lord Mahavir. Mahavir died at Pawapuri near Rajgir in Bihar at the age of 72 in 468 BC. Teachings of Mahavira. 1. Animal sacrifices and caste system should not be followed. 2. Everyone is equal. 3. Even small living animals have soul, so none should be injured. 4. Goal of life is to save soul or be free from the cycle of rebirths. This is called Siddhasila. 5. Moksha can be attained through three ratnas, the three jewels: right faith, right knowledge, and right action. 6. War should be prohibited. 7. 5 doctrines were advocated. Do not steal. Do not lie. Do not acquire property. Do not commit violence. Observe Brahmacharya. Jain literature. Mahavira's original teachings were preserved in the form of Purvas, 14 texts, and Angas, 12 texts. The language used is Ardhamagdhi or Prakrit. The Upanishads. Upanishad means sitting down near the teacher. This implies the students sitting down near their guru to learn the big secret. Upanishads were composed by the philosophers during their meditation. This contains the main idea that constitute the intellectual aspect of the Hindu philosophy. Main Upanishads. 1. Isa. 2. Katha. 3. Taittiriya. 4. Aitareya. 5. Chandogya. 6. Brihadarankyā. 7. Kena. 8. Mundaka. 9. Svetasvatra. 10. Prasana. 11. Mandukya.